Hello, it's raining outside today, so today we're going to be indoors and I'm going to take a look at a plant called the Split Leaf Philodendron. My name's Ont and welcome to Ont's Garden. This is my plant, the Split Leaf Philodendron. And as you can see, it's not exactly small. It's not something I would put on a windowsill, unless you've got a big windowsill. But it's a lovely plant, and it's got these lovely jungly leaves. Let's just spin that round. This plant comes from Argentina, or Brazil, and it's very similar to the Monstera deliciosa, or the cheese plant. Now the way you can tell the two apart is by the way it grows. So the split leaf will grow up like a tree, whereas the Monstera deliciosa, or cheese plant, will need a stake or something to grow up like a moss pole. Another way you can tell them apart quite quickly is by looking at the leaves. So these leaves on the split leaf are very finger-like, and on the cheese plant they have fenestrations or circles, whereas on the split leaf they don't. The kind of conditions they like are indirect sunlight. The soil likes to be moist, but not too moist. If you're too moist, then you're overwatering your plant, and what you'll find is you'll get black leaves. On the opposite side of that, if you underwater your plant, you'll find you get brown crispy leaves. So I water mine approximately once every week, check it with a water meter, and seem to be doing fine. Fertilise once a month when it's growing. In the winter, don't really fertilise it, it just sort of lies dormant. It's such a lovely plant, and it gives that jungle effect. Temperature wise, it needs about 18 to 28 degrees. My kitchen goes down to 15 degrees at night time when it's cold in the winter, and during daytime it can get quite warm as well, depending on what time of year it is, but it seems to be fine here, and they're quite tolerant of mistreatment or underwatering or overwatering. Now another exciting thing about this plant is the new leaves, when they come out, they look like plastic. They're this really bright green, waxy colour. Looks totally unnatural, but they soon develop into proper dark green leaves, but the fact that they look so plastic is really quite extraordinary. If you take a close look at this leaf here, for example, it's just coming out, and you can see from the picture that it also unwinds, so it goes up in a long pointy spike, and then these little tendrils unwind eventually into a larger leaf. Just mention maintenance before we finish. So all I do for maintenance is just get a sponge of soapy water and go over the leaves, and you can see here it's just a quick job. The leaves are very dusty to start with. Then just wiping them with the sponge just takes off all that dust and brings back the gloss to the leaves, and it looks really shiny and very pretty. Well, that was a look at the split leaf philodendron. Please join me again soon and we'll look at some more plants. Thank you for joining on to Garden. See you soon.